Hello traders and welcome back to my trading channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing limit orders. So if you know what this is, it's simple. It's just a type of trade that allows you to set a specific price at which you are willing to buy or sell security. In other words, it's just a way to have more control over the price you pay or receive for a stock. Okay, now that you have sort of idea what this is, let's execute it. When you place a limit order, you specify the asset you want to buy or sell. In this case, we're going to be using Bitcoin. You will also need the number of shares, which we are going to be buying 0.0007 Bitcoin. And finally, the price at which you're willing to execute the trade, which for this example, we are going to buy at 16,700 USDT, which will give us a total of 1169 USDT. Then we press the buy Bitcoin button, and as you can see, the order was not filled immediately, as it did with the market order. This is because it will only be filled if the asset is trading at or below the desired price. If the asset is trading above 16,700, your order will remain open until the asset reaches your desired price or until you cancel the order. So keep in mind that there is a possibility that your order may never reach your desired price. It's important to note that limit orders are just one of several types of orders that you can use for trading. Other options include market orders and stop limit orders, which I will make a video of them soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have now a better understanding of limit orders and how they can be used in your investment strategy.